Hey everybody, it's Rob Moffitt. Guys, I've been experimenting with this Aroma rice cooker. And tonight I cooked some hamburger with some wine and mushrooms. And on the top I put in some ravioli with some cabbage. This is steamed cabbage with some ravioli, but we want to look at the hamburger. There's a hamburger with some onions and mushrooms and wine and a little bit of onion. Let's see what it looks like. I put a quarter cup of red wine and a quarter cup of water with some spices, pepper. Okie dokie. Nothing was burned on the bottom. Let's see what the ravioli look like. Remove the cabbage. Now the raviolis were steamed. They weren't boiled. You want to make sure they're done. That's going to be too hot to eat, but it looks like I'll know in a second. Oh yeah. Okay. I was worried the dough wouldn't be cooked, but it is. Let's see what that hamburger tastes like. This was put in frozen. That is a delicious little tasting hamburger. It's not as juicy as I would like it, but it's not extremely overcooked as I would expect. It's moist. It's got a wonderful flavor, and it has a nice chewy texture to it. I really like it. We all know what cabbage tastes like, but let's see what we got. Yep. Cabbage is completely cooked. So guys, that was a very quick, inexpensive meal to make. Hamburger, a quarter cup of wine, quarter cup of water, onion powder, dried onion flakes, parsley, a little of Italian seasoning, and that's it. Worked out really good. I'm surprised. This is a very easy, simple, and mushrooms. Very simple, easy meal. I'm going to make this more in the future. All right, guys. Hope it was helpful. You take care. See you out there. Oh, I should say, it was cooked on the rice setting, and turn it on and it turns off all by itself. All right, take care. See you out there.